A true icon of speed and power, the 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 is more than just a car. It is an untamed force that reshaped the muscle car era. Before diving into its incredible legacy, become part of a passionate community that celebrates automotive legends like this. Introduced as a high-performance package, the Mach 1 turned the already aggressive Mustang into a fire-breathing beast, combining raw power with head-turning design. The 1969 model year marked a bold leap in Mustang evolution, featuring a long sculpted body with a blacked-out hood, functional hood scoop, and bold side stripes that gave it an unmistakable road presence. Beneath the hood, the Mach 1 offered a range of powerhouse engines, starting with the standard 351 Windsor V8, producing 250 horsepower. Enthusiasts seeking brutal acceleration opted for the 390 V8 with 320 horsepower, or the monstrous 428 Cobra Jet, which delivered up to 335 horsepower but was rumored to unleash even more. The optional Super Cobra Jet package took things even further, transforming the Mach 1 into a track-ready missile, designed for both comfort and performance. The Mach 1's interior boasted high-back bucket seats, wood grain trim, and a rally-style gauge cluster, creating an immersive driving experience. A competition suspension, upgraded shocks, and factory rear spoilers enhanced handling, making this Mustang a true muscle car legend. Today, the 1969 Mach 1 remains one of the most sought-after classic Mustangs, with pristine examples commanding prices from $60,000 to over $50,000, depending on originality and engine configuration. Its reputation was further solidified by its appearances in films, TV shows, and drag strips, proving that its legacy endures far beyond its production years. This masterpiece of American engineering continues to captivate car lovers across generations. With its aggressive styling, thunderous V8 power, and undeniable road presence, the Mach 1 remains one of the most celebrated Mustangs of all time. If the sound of a high-revving big block and the sight of a fastback tearing down the highway ignite your passion, then this is the place for you. Join us in keeping the legend alive, where muscle car history is honored and celebrated every day.